Tomorrow, one of the most consequential court cases concerning our state's healthcare system will be heard in federal court. The Trump administration, rubber-stamped by Senator Thom Tillis, will try again to do in court what they could not get passed in Congress, ripping up protections for pre-existing conditions and ending the Affordable Care Act. In the last month alone, the case has escalated. Reports have called the lawsuit a new ominous sign for the ACA, and most legal experts suggested that it won't bode well for people who rely on this health care law. Yet Senator Tillis has given his blessing to this dangerous lawsuit by remaining silent. We've heard these broken promises before. This administration said they would put a stop to rising health care costs. But this lawsuit tomorrow would raise out-of-pocket costs for premiums and prescription drugs. Senator Tillis promised to protect pre-existing conditions and protections for those pre-existing conditions, but his lawsuit would end those vital protections. Put simply, protections for pre-existing conditions and the health care for people like those with us today are on the line. Here's what will happen if this lawsuit is successful. More than 1 million North Carolinians with pre-existing conditions would lose important protections. We'd lose any chance of expanding Medicaid, which would bring access to more than 500,000 North Carolinians. Seniors will have to pay more for prescription drugs because the Medicare donut hole will be reopened. Adult children will no longer be able to stay on their parents' insurance until age 26. Insurance companies will be able to charge women 50% more than men simply because of their gender, and that's wrong. Financial assistance that helps families purchase health care in the marketplace would be eliminated. Our rural hospitals would lose key support. As Americans lose coverage, already struggling hospitals will be hit even harder as their costs increase. And big insurance companies could reinstate lifetime caps on coverage and would not be required to cover prescription drugs and maternity care.